Alright.
Stay filthy.
Wait.
What?
I don't know how far that eject is.
Here, let me show you. Like, so you just need to go high enough where it has to be. Yep, I know.
Where's it gonna lock? Or where's it gonna sit?
So it's gonna sit.
I'm guessing there. Is that looks like it might fit there?
No, right there. This has to go right there on the pin trails. You see it?
Here somewhere?
Nope, go farther back. Right there, you're looking right at. Yep,
This?
right there. Mm-hmm. That's the pin trails.
Is it sit like this on it? Just the way it is. I'm just sliding it in.
Yep.
Yeah, I want this one before.
Yeah.
Really? That's
Yeah.
weird.
Those are the pin trails. That's where you put
on
your.
something flatter. Like it just sits on this edge.
No, this is. I think. I don't know what that's
Why
for.
is that such an edge to sit on something that's flat? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't make cars.
I don't. I don't engineer this stuff.
Yeah.
Dang. This is the last time we're gonna see it on stock wheels. This is crazy. I don't know. I would say that, but then my dad got this car, so I'm like, dang, I'm still gonna see these wheels every
You're
day.
gonna see more work on this stuff.
No, but
How about we do this? I'm gonna tell your dad, yo, you want spare wheels? Yeah.
yo, actually, that's crazy, dude. Legit.
Wait, I think I'm gonna cut it.
Oh yeah, so you just slow it.
Because I never done this stuff. I just want to make sure.
Let me
Don't
see.
get me talking sounding all not knowing what I'm doing.
Oh yeah, everything looks good. Just lower down.
So how you doing? Saving on gas means he has more money for mods.
Exactly, but dude, these wheels are fresh. Are we getting you a new exhaust tips too?
Whoa, shit.
Dang, these wheels kind of look like VIP stats. Like you're about to mob up on someone's home. Like, yo, what's up?
I'm gonna have to show you this Instagram post. I forgot your film. I have to show.
Who's man's? Dang, who is man's? Don't go too fast. Actually, just go like, yeah, just go around like the block or something. Alright, so right now we heard a little weird noise. I don't know if it was the jack or the jack stand or maybe the car, but I'm having him drive a little bit. But those are the wheels. Dang. Offset and width is a secret. So I'm having him drive around and make sure everything's all good, and then we'll do the front. This is crazy.
Yeah, the stretch is not, I was at first I was like, John, this isn't enough stretch.
It's like this is my first time seeing like close to wires. And then oh shoot, and then you could actually see like the wires come over here. That's crazy.
I think my last wheels were worse. Remember I showed you anything?
Yeah, I remember actually. I'm already showing you pictures.
Those were huge.
That's all the good reasons to go stretch, so that you don't have to. So you have to deal with it. Actually, camber gang, you're gonna have to just deal with it. Dang, look at you. We're kind of in a pinch of time. Dang, look at you working. So what we did was cut out the fender lining. Whoa, you're going too crazy, man. We gotta put on the fog light. Chill. It's okay. I'll be late. It's okay. Don't let them know that I know where I'm going though, because you know people out there. You know what I'm saying? You don't know this to judge. You know. Dang, look at that. So we cut this out. You know, we took this piece out so we can fit those wheels. Cause look at that, gang. What else did we do? I forgot. Oh yeah, and then you're heat gunning the fog lights, right? So it's blue. Oh, I don't know if I recorded it before.
The fogs? It's all good. Well,
it might be in the clip. Might be slightly.
it might be in the clip.
Oh, without the fog lights, don't look bad either. Not on the camera, at least. All right, let me read some of this cover.